So I'm going to do the blurring first. I have something also to do there. Okay. Okay. Wow. No impact. So no impact for now. Okay, maybe if I want to monetize this. So thank you very much, the piano guys, for not basically putting an impact on the video. Thank you very much. I understand that if I want to make money with that, potentially there's a restriction. I understand this, and this is what I want to build. So you get it. So honestly, thank you very much. This is really nice to have no impact on the video, and to have a potential impact with the revenue, but this is normal. Okay, so here you go. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. I appreciate this a lot. Okay, you cannot imagine how much I appreciate this. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to clip that. Donc, je vais quand même mettre que c'est une musique de Hans Zimmer, évidemment. Parce que Hans Zimmer, j'aime beaucoup. Un de mes compositeurs préférés. D'accord. Donc, so here you go. So honestly, also Hans Zimmer. Shout out to Hans Zimmer. Amazing artist. And so I've listened to your songs a lot, and it really is inspired me like in an amazing way. So okay. I think the musics are really nice. Basically, it's like kind of a grandiose atmosphere, okay, and it's what Christopher Nolan and Hans Zimmer are often trying to build. So Hans Zimmer for so Hans Zimmer for the music industry, so the music film industry, and Christopher Nolan on the side of the filmmaking industry. Okay, so obviously it's, I think, the film industry, but I like that you see that they're trying to make a grandiose like grandiose things, and honestly, this is great, okay? Because so me, I don't think I am able to do this kind of things. You get it? So and so that's why I really like that a lot. So obviously, I might try one day to make some you know, see kind of a grandiose style, but you see, it's not really my style. You get it? I have more like a development style, not really like grandiose and prepared and mystical things. You get it? So, but I honestly, um, Christopher Nolan and Hans Zimmer is an amazing duo. Hans Zimmer for the film musics, which I absolutely loved, and Christopher Nolan. So all his movies are really nice, and so here you go. Okay. So I've seen all movies of Christopher Nolan. Uh, so inspired me a lot, and there's only one movie that I did not watch entirely is the following. So honestly, so basically I saw the first 10 minutes, and then I stopped watching. Okay. Um, so obviously my memory is not amazing, so I will need to rewatch all of that. So rewatch some of the movies, and also uh, like the first following that I only watched for maybe 10 minutes, but I've liked those a lot. Okay. So you might say to me, Gauthier, um, uh, maybe these are kind of dark movies you see, and not really on the side of what you're talking about. Um, really like those movies, and maybe I need to watch them again. You see, um, but I don't know. I think that so at least like kind of so yes. So basically, so in those movies, it's always like you see a crazy story. Okay, so it's like it's always you see a story that's how can I explain that? But it's a story where people dying. You see, and people also having fucked up emotions. You get it? But honestly, like this is for me, it's really important to have those kind of movies. You get it? Because it's the so you see, guys, so basically it makes the story really deep. You see, kind of in a grandiose like kind of grandiose way. You get it? So you might say to me, Gauthier, so you see, you want only good, and then you are uh, you have a lot of good things to say about stories where people dying and etc. So um, so for me, these are work of fiction. Okay, so for work of fiction, obviously, I think doing work of fiction like that is very very good. Okay, for me. Now, um, obviously, you're going to say to me, Gauthier, if those work of fictions are really nice, maybe this is also work that can be done in real life. So I know, but so basically, we can use the grandiose way of those movies. You get it? Like the kind of the things that make the emotion so strong in those movies. You get it? And get those, so trying to um, get those elements, and basically work with that in the real world without anyone like kind of dying or suffering, without without being willing. Okay, so basically what could be done, maybe like what could be done is that there are some people that could choose, you see, like at some point they could choose that, so they could say, okay, I agree to potentially being hurt to like a high level, you see, to live an adventure and with no result guaranteed. Okay, so, and obviously, so if people are choosing these things, so this would need to be all clear. Okay, and basically, so maybe not now, but in like in the future, you get that people could choose this. But I think without people choosing, I don't think this is a good thing, honestly. So people would have to choose, okay, for me. And I think this kind of thing can be recreated with people choosing, okay. And basically, what they could choose also is low information. Basically, they could choose, I don't want any information. You see, I want to discover everything, and I want, for example, the maximum amount of things that I could. So they could choose maybe the maximum. So you see, so obviously I thought about some of these things before, okay, but basically they could choose. So about some of the elements, not everything in a clear way like that, okay. So they could choose maybe the maximum, you see, amount of hurt that they could be a victim of, you see. Obviously, they could choose the information that they would get, you see. So the information that they would get, the maximum information, the maximum amount of hurt that they would do, and basically they would have also a goal. So they would say, okay, my goal is this, you see. And also people could configure this, you see, to get, so to potentially, so obviously those kind of stories would be unsure, meaning, so this has to be unsure. If this is sure, it's basically that you have no story. Basically, if this is sure, you have, so if you are sure of what you're gonna get, is that there is no story. All right, so basically, so people would have a goal and in a clear way, okay. And some people would play the actors, okay. And some people would be like kind of players, where so some people would play the actors and some people would play in a game like in a clear way, like I explained, you see. So here we go. This is how this can be recreated without the, like, without the bad that what people are experiencing, okay. So this is how.